Hi everyone, welcome back. Today let's look at the year 2 and we're going to assume that TurboTax will enter last year, so we should have all the information to move forward. So let's look at the example together. So give me 1 second to pull that up to show you the example. So I want to show you our key number for the second year. So everything pretty much stays as the same, except that we're gonna assume that we sold the property back in 2022, so May 30th, 2022. Sale price, adjusted basis, everything are the same. And remember, our exclusion for sale of home is also $500K, so the same, right? So our gross profit is still $140,000. The gross profit percentage is 0.3, which is 30%. The difference will be, remember, so the first year we received the principal of $100K, excluding interest. So this is year 2. We also gonna receive another payment for another $100K. The interest that we receive on the installment sale for year 2 is also $7,000. So the entry for this one, because we already entered the installment sale into TurboTax the year before, which was 22 in our example. So in 23, we go straight to installment sale. So this is our TurboTax, and I'm looking for installment sales. So installment sales is right here. And see, this one was the property that we had since last year, and then TurboTax just pull it forward. So we click edit. So everything is the same, right? The gross profit percentage, this is pulled in, right? So we don't need to enter that. How was this item used? Was it business or rental? No. Was it selling stock? No. Collectible? No. Was it passive activity? No. And then this is the screen that you would enter this year information. So I pre-enter it here, but if you go to TurboTax and follow this flow, these fields should be empty. So for the principal payment received in 23, we would put in $100K, which is what we received for year 2 for the principal, excluding interest. And then the interest payment that we received for year 2 is also $7,000. So we enter the 2 number here. And then you want to check this box. So this interest is from a mortgage that I hold on a home that I sold to somebody. So with that box checked, we're gonna click continue, and the buyer information should have also already been in the software because we're just continuing from last year. Was it a related party sale? No. So it's telling us our installment sale income is $30,000. Long-term capital gain, so this will be reported, should be on Schedule D. And then empty differences, no. And then there you have it. There's your installment sale, and you can look at explain my taxes. So our income, so you could see here our wages W2 is still 80K as in our example. We have a Schedule C income, some self-employment of 10K, and then this is from the installment sales. The capital gain of 30K that we need to pay taxes on, and then the interest income of $7,000 for this year. So this is how you see that it was TurboTax had taken it into account. So hopefully that was good to see. And if you have any questions, put it in the Q&A section of the course. I'll see you at the next video.